our third one. This is our third Disney tag. It doesn't need to have pomp and circumstance. It just needs, this is it.
It's exciting.
Oh.
Actually, this is our fourth one. This is the last one, so it is exciting.
This is exciting. What are we doing for our fourth one, Olivia? It's your choice.
We're making Monte Cristo sandwiches.
Monte Cristo sandwiches from Disneyland. It's probably the second reason to visit Disneyland.
What's the first? Yeah, what's
Well,
your
what else
first?
are we making?
Mint Juleps.
Yeah, mint
but
juleps.
But you know what?
That's the first
Monte
reason.
Cristos and mint juleps go together.
Fine.
So that's like one together.
One reason.
You could maybe say beignets.
No.
No, because then the
Okay, let's all agree that it's Splash Mountain,
That's true.
then Monte Cristos and
Absolutely.
Indiana
juleps.
Jones.
No.
No one can agree with
We don't need to argue. So this is involved. That's why we saved it for our last one. Bethany and Abby crave these all the time. Olivia hates them. So she chose this thinking about them, I guess.
Or she just didn't know what else to pick.
That could be it too.
it.
But this is an involved sandwich. So for those of you that haven't been to Disneyland, this is a sandwich with thick bread. It's got ham, turkey, Swiss cheese. Then you batter it, then you fry it, then you dip it in blackberry jam, and it's delicious. Oh, you've got to put powdered sugar on it, which Olivia wanted to make homemade powdered sugar, so she's going to do that.
You want to show us how you're going to make this powdered sugar?
So I put some sugar cubes in a container, and then we have these little,
Like a marble.
yeah,
Marbles.
and you're gonna put them inside.
Oh, well,
That's
there goes
one.
another one.
We're not gonna use that one. And then you're just gonna shake them up, and eventually it will turn into powder.
We'll start doing it.
I'm excited to see how this turns out.
I don't believe it,
I
but
learned this in science. Believe it.
science. So over here we've got flour, baking powder, and salt. So it's 1 3/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt. I'm sorry, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. And then in this bowl, we're gonna put 1 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of water and an egg.
Then you gotta add this to that, or that to this.
Hopefully we don't screw something up, huh?
It shouldn't.
We chose challah bread.
Shala hala? I don't
No,
know.
it's not shala.
No,
It's
It's like
challah.
shala. It's spelled shala.
And then we have ham, turkey, and Swiss cheese. Over there we've got oil heating up.
Do you want this started? It's not on.
Bethany, camera people don't talk.
Do you want it on or not?
All right, so that's probably, that's probably good.
All right.
So now we're just gonna set this aside.
That actually smells like pancake batter.
That's because that's kind of what it is. Okay, so we're gonna set it right here.
Okay.
We keep eating the bread, man.
At least it's not the bread we're using.
This is true. So we cut our bread pretty,
Weird.
well, I cut it on an angle, which means that's what our sandwich is gonna be. Like, stupid. Why did Justin do that? I don't know. It was because the bread wasn't so thick. So I thought if I cut it on an angle, I would get more surface area.
Oh. Okay.
Anyways, cut it about 1.5 inches thick, and then we're going to, what are we gonna do?
Another egg.
What are we gonna do?
I don't
It
know.
says,
Arrange two
slices of ham, turkey, and cheese. So this is what I'm gonna say we do.
Cover the bread.
I'm gonna say we get really crazy and what the heck? What the heck?
Broke it.
We're gonna go turkey, ham,
Swiss.
yeah,
Turkey,
Swiss,
ham.
turkey. How did you know?
I'm just brilliant like that.
We're gonna
That's
ham
not turkey.
We're gonna go ham turkey.
Oh.
Okay, so then we're just gonna kind of
Just smash it.
We're just gonna mash it. We're not gonna smash it. How do we do this?
I don't know.
Like, do it like that, I guess. Here, eat that. It's very delicious. Watch this.
Is it good? No.
Oh,
Eat it! Eat the bread! Eat the bread!
you know what's funny is that Mom, she gets so frustrated when people talk off camera. Just kidding. Here she comes.
Maybe I should just be on camera.
You should just be on camera.
Okay. Hi, lady.
Okay,
Hi.
so as you probably heard, I haven't actually heated the oil up. It was supposed to be the magic of cinema, but then there was someone talking off camera. So
I am the
we're
magic of cinema.
That's not even true. We're gonna cut for a minute, heat up the oil, we'll come back, we'll batter it, and put it in the fry. So because Olivia doesn't like these, we're just gonna deep fry a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wanna do it? Here you go. So I don't know how much we want to do because I'm afraid this is gonna like. Oh, that is good stuff. Oh, I hope it stays together when we cook it. Yeah, I'm afraid of that sandwich, but there it is. I think we're not gonna cut that puppy in half. I think we're just gonna dip the whole thing. Okay.
Good idea.
Yeah. All right, this is almost ready to cook. We've done this before you were born, long time ago, and I remember it didn't turn out very good, so I have high hopes. Okay, here we go. We're gonna dip this in the batter. Okay, you gonna come do this? No, you're not prepared,
Well,
because you're a crazy camera woman. And it stays together. The one thing about Disneyland is theirs tend to be like completely enclosed around all of the stuff that's in the middle. Sorry, talking to you, but the camera's over
I
there.
know. Do you want me to stand over next?
No, you can come stand by me. And Olivia. 3 minutes on each side. But I'm really worried about the cheese because that's what I was commenting is like not everything is surrounded by bread. So I'm worried that the cheese is gonna melt. Mmm, cheese deep fried.
You think you'd ever do this by yourself?
This?
Yeah.
No. I probably deep fry strawberries and Nutella.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
well.
we do deep fry strawberries with Nutella. That is really hot.
That seems too dangerous.
Oh, it's very dangerous.
Seems as dangerous as cooking bacon.
Bacon does pop like this.
That's it. I don't know. It doesn't look like what they do at Disneyland.
Nope.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't
I
matter.
wonder if we need more batter on it.
Should we do Olivia's?
Yeah.
Yours does look good. I was just thinking that with Nutella.
Oh.
Sounds so unhealthy, but so good.
looking better. But they're still, like, I don't know, they're just not Disneylandy. Hopefully they taste Disneylandy. Olivia doesn't like mint juleps from Disneyland, but they are like, I mean, you can tell like, I drink a lot of them. When we go to Disneyland, we drink a ton of them, right? Like, you get sick of us going, you usually just get Sprite or something. Probably at least 5 in a 4-day trip, which is crazy. It's definitely one of our favorites. We're making it today because it goes hand in hand with Monte Cristo sandwiches, which is what you chose. So what we're gonna start with is 8 cups of water. We're gonna add 3 cups of sugar to that. So you wanna do 3 cups of sugar. And we're gonna bring that to a boil. So guess what the next thing we need to do is? This is boiling. We need to turn the heat off. And this recipe says that we have to let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna pour this in here. This still looks really hot. Are you sure you did that for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm a little scared.
What if you melt this plastic?
I'm probably gonna melt that plastic.
And then Mom's gonna come home and she's gonna be like, what happened? And I'm gonna say, it's all Dad's fault.
Great, sell me out. It's all Dad's fault. You just got a sugar water steam bath. It's delicious. So this is the lemonade limeade concentrate. Okay, we need a cup of this. See, I don't remember using a cup of this last time. Okay, a cup. I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, it smells, that actually smells more like it than the other recipe that I have. All right, so then we're gonna put this in the fridge and let it cool for a long time. And then when it's ready, we'll garnish it. Okay, we're gonna quickly make a mint julep. That's dangerous. Outtakes. I'm gonna try this first.
Okay. Okay, do it too.
Well, we can pass that around to see what we think.
It needs more lime.
It's kind of Kool-Aid-y.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. Create
We made-
Kool-Aid, people.
Mint lime Kool-Aid.
I'm Kool-Aid.
All right, here we go. Liv, grab a piece of your sandwich.
I'm going in for mine. Oh yeah, yours is just...
So Olivia did the peanut butter jelly. Then And this is the regular Monte Cristo. Dip it in here.
Good?
Powdered sugar is the best part.
What they lack in looks, they made up for in taste.
Right, those taste really good. Those turned out fantastic.
Do you think it was worth all the hassle to make at home?
Every once in a while for a treat. Yes. But if there's ever a restaurant that's making it, I definitely will buy it there.
What do you think?
Tastes good. I'll put this down.
You're happy with yours? Peanut butter and jelly. What did you say about your peanut butter and jelly if it was good?
Oh, then they should make it at Disney. So they should make this at Disney.
There you
Disney
go.
people, if you are listening, please.
She would buy it.
Yeah. Well, we would.
We probably all would. Well,
A lot
yes.
of little kids would.
Right. Yes, make this. I will leave the recipe for both of these things. Maybe you can improve the mint julep.
Yeah.
Or maybe you like it how it is.
Or maybe just make a real one.
We need to tag our last person, and we are going to tag the kilt guy. So if you haven't seen his YouTubes before, he does walk around in Disney in a kilt and reviews food and other things for Disney. So we are tagging him and hope that he makes something delicious.
He's wearing a kilt. It will be fantastic. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, all the fun things that you do, and thank you for following us. Thank you for watching the last 4 videos that we've done. This has been a lot of fun.
It's been fun to do the Disney food tag. Hopefully we'll see a lot of other people doing it because it's been super fun and it's given us a lot of fun ideas to make at home. And I did want to say Bob and Kelly on the Go did do their tag, and so I will link it down below.
See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Toodles.
Bye.